for example, this stick is 10 rupees. This stick is 10 rupees. And you went to market and you have to purchase this stick. But shopkeeper will say it is 100 rupees. So do you know it is 10 rupees? So definitely
Yes,
we will do bargaining.
yes, yes. You, how was your day?
Yeah, I'm good and my day is going good. And the other days?
Yes, yes. Now days are good, and now we are feeling cold because of weather.
Yes, yes, same here. And I have been living here for 3 years. But only this year I feel cold.
Yes, yes. And health is also not too good.
Yes. So can you introduce yourself?
Why not? So as you know that my name is Jyoti. I live in Agra. I have a small daughter that is 10 months. Now you know that I am homemaker as well a YouTuber also. Now I am working on my communication skills.
Where is your daughter?
She is playing with grandmother.
Okay. So you are living with your family?
Yes, yes. I am living in joint family.
Okay.
So I
That's
have seen,
great.
your many videos and
You
I get inspired by that. That you says in every video different. You motivates others.
I don't know.
Yes,
I
also.
don't. Yeah, I don't. I didn't watch your daughter. So you don't want to show your daughter
Yes, yes,
on
I will
YouTube
show you.
channel.
Now she will grown up. Then that time I will talk with her. I will make videos as well with her. Now she is very small. If she disturbs me now.
Yeah.
She doesn't understand anything. She make a noise. That's why I do not pray.
Yes. Yes. So
And
yeah,
some
this
children
time
I have seen,
she is
they,
playing.
they yes. Now some children I have seen their mother is making conversation videos and they are sitting silent. But my daughter, she cannot sit silent anytime.
Yes. Yes.
Always make a
So
noise and she yes. In morning she fell down. She was very naughty.
all
Yes.
children, all children is very naughty.
Nowadays children are very naughty. In my time I live very silent. I was not like that.
Oh, every person said.
Yes, yes. That time children were not like active this type, like they had no computer mind. Now she is like that. If I am watching anything in TV, so she cries like I will watch my cartoon. I will watch my like
Yes.
Chidiya.
Yeah,
We
I
cannot.
want mobile. I have to watch. Yes. So
Yes, yes. And
your English is very good. Your English is very good.
no, I cannot say it is too good. Now I am
No.
also fumble. Sometimes I fumble because of practice. It depends on practice. I'm not getting more time for practicing.
Yes. Yes.
But I am making daily conversation. So
Yeah.
I
So
I
do
want
you
to say
take conversation every day?
yes, yes, one conversation I take because I cannot make more conversation videos because I have to
Yes.
handle
Yes.
house chores, many things we have to do. And nowadays, the days are very short in winter.
Yes.
But in summer, I could take two sessions. But now in winter, I cannot take.
Yes, because cold is running and you have baby, small baby, and as well as household work. That's why.
And you know that in winter we cannot speak more as well because of winter.
Yes,
Yeah, we feel cold.
we
Sometimes our
feel
health is
cold.
also good. Yes.
Yes. Can you give me any vocabulary so that I will make a story?
Okay. So vocabulary.
Yeah.
I in this notebook I didn't write. So do you
No,
know
any
DNS?
vocabulary.
DNS.
Dearness, fearness.
DNS. DNS. D E A
Dearness,
N double S.
dearness.
DEARNE double S. DNS means महंगाई.
Okay, महंगाई. Okay, and today I learned. You say dearness means महंगाई. Today I learned inflection. Inflection means also महंगाई.
Yes, yes. In inflection, inflection.
Influence inflection today I learn. Influence मतलब
Inflection.
किसी
Yes,
को प्रभावित करना. Influence.
yes, yes.
Inflection
Inflection.
महंगाई.
Inflection. Yes, I have listened that one also. And TNS means also महंगाई. Nowadays, as you know that TNS is increasing. Yes, so makes a
Yeah.
story of that.
Okay. Yeah. Nowadays is DNS is running, and one day I should. One day I thought I should purchase sari. Okay, but when I asked the shopkeeper how much, how many money is it this sari, but he replied it is very costly. So that time I was thinking that mm, in DNS is running, so I will not purchase this sari.
Yes, yes. Okay, so do you know how to do bargaining? Some people are, very perfect in bargaining. Can you do bargaining very well?
I don't know, but I will. I try.
Yes, yes. But my husband he can do. But I am not good in bargaining. If someone said yes, it is in in this price, so I give that much. I do not do
Yes,
more
but
yes.
yes,
Some
but
people are
we should bargain because, for example, this time if I have to purchase any sari, shopkeeper said me it is 1,000. Okay, we will purchase. But if I will say I want to purchase only 7 and 800, so he want to give, so we can purchase, otherwise we will say no, I will not purchase.
yes. Have you seen that street seller? That if they are coming in home, and some people they do half price of that. If suppose
Yeah,
some like 500, they will give 250 like that. If you are giving in this, so okay. If you are not giving, go on your way.
yeah.
Yes,
It's depend item. Some people
yes, yes,
told very expensive. For example, this stick is 10 rupees. This stick is 10 rupees, and you went to market and you have to purchase this stick, but shopkeeper will say it is 100 rupees. So do you know it is 10 rupees? So definitely we
yes,
will do bargaining.
yes, yes. So it depends on things. We cannot sell like a very costly if the thing is cheap.
Yes, yes,
Yes, and if suppose there is a a pen. If someone told us that it is 100 rupees, we cannot purchase. If it is five
yes,
rupees or 2 rupees, we can purchase. We will do bargaining in that. No, 100 is very much. In 100, we can purchase many pens.
yeah.
Yes.
And yeah. And one day I went to Charminar. I was lot of flower, and I purchased one flower. I asked how much money is it. He replied 200. I asked, can you give me 100 rupees? So he gave me quickly.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
really price was bit, not cheap.
You know that if suppose we are going to market, so there should be money, 100, 500 or 1,000, then you can think about going to market. If you don't have money, more money, so you should not, we should not think, yes.
Yes,
Before
yes.
going, check our pocket that is there money for going or not. Suppose we are going and we don't have money, so it is totally waste that we are moving here and there. We are only if we see things that we think that we should purchase that.
Yes, yes. But
We think,
I have bad habit. I have bad habit. When I went to market with my husband, so I take only purse and mobile, not 1 rupee money. I depend
yes.
only with I depend only my husband.
I also, if my husband is going with me, I will not take one single rupees as well. I know that he is carrying that. What
Yes,
is
but
me?
it's a bad habit. we should take money, because I
Yes,
don't know where we have not good situation.
you know that I says that may I carry my bag? So he says, no, I'm going with you. What will you do? Carry? That is also our
Yes,
money. Are carrying. If I am carrying, that is also our money. It will go from one
yes,
side. So
yes, yes,
why? What?
yes,
Yes, he says that. I always say
yes.
that. May I carry my bag? No. What is need?
Yeah, and one day I went to market, and I was purchasing some grocery item. That time I didn't have money, and I was standing another area, and my husband was standing another area. That time I had purchased some vegetables, but that time I didn't have money. So firstly, I went and just sent my husband, and I asked, "Can you give me money?" Then I purchased.
You know, nowadays DNS is very high.
Yes,
If that time, in my before my married, jaggery, it was 40 rupees kg. But now yesterday my husband purchased. It was 60 rupees kg. I was saying, what is different? Like a 20 rupees different
yes,
in
yes,
2 years only.
yes,
It is
really.
possible. Yes, we can, that if we have more children, then we cannot give good education
Yes,
them. If suppose that DNS is running day by day,
yes. And if
increase.
I talk about, 5 years before, I used to purchase oil. That time only 75 rupees, but this time, 150.
That time I was a child. That time oil was 40 rupees kg. But
Yes,
now
yes,
as you see, and sugar also 20 rupees kg, 16 rupees kg. Now you can see more than 40.
40. Yeah, here also 40.
Yes, yes. So DNS is running and it is increasing day by day. So we should aware about that. We should
Yes,
be satisfied also.
yes. We
Yes,
should save
every
money.
woman, every woman should be, and there are many housewife and there are many ladies. They hide money from husband and they collect what we call korcha like that.
Yeah, but this type of activity I don't have habit. Some person
Also,
and some lady uh, told me you should follow this type of activity, but I replied no. When I asked my husband, "Do you have 500 rupees and 100 rupees?" Yeah, I have. Yeah, this is it. But रहता है कुछ लोग, मतलब बचा बचा के बहुत कुछ ले लेते हैं.
yes, yes. And after collecting, they says, this is my money. Yes,
Yes, yes,
yes. But
yes.
I have no
But
this type habit.
yes, this time we are not doing any job. So, okay, so we can say I don't have money. We are using money only, uh, our husband money, our
Yes, yes.
family money.